since I had to get rid of those cat shelters, this is our project today on a hot, still good Saturday. But we're going to install the cat door. Don't mind our cut job. And there's the cat doors. We're going to paint it so it matches the shed. They're brackets for their platform. That's my son over there helping me. Thank goodness he's here. This would have been a lot of work for me. So we're doing it for these two girls here because I guess they're mine. They're living in the yard. Can't find them home. It's not an easy thing to do. So we're going to make sure they got somewhere warm since their houses are gone.
I have to cut some of this off.
Yeah. Dakota, are we working on your cat door? Are you chilling or supervising? Okay, we got the cat door done. Got the platform for them to jump on. And I don't want raccoons getting in. Their little swivel door. A platform on the inside. Oh, missed some foam insulation, but gosh, I hope this works for them.